Hello everyone, welcome back to Fastback Racing. This is Abigail Birdwatching Part 2. And as you can see, we have a cardinal out there. I may have to raise the... Well, if I can get it right. Yeah, we have a cardinal out there, but you can't really see because of the screen of the window. Oh, there they are. They're on the ground. They're on the ground. And she is purring. She likes watching the birds. We got 2 male cardinals outside. Oh, there goes that tail. That tail's flipping. All right. I hope you like this video. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.